Hello there. In a previous short video we looked at some simple fractions into percentages. What happens now if we increase the level of difficulty? So again, I'm talking about fractions to percentages, fractions into percentages. And again, I just want to start my thought process by taking a 100 centimetre bar, and this time, rather than divide it into 2 and 4, let's take it down to dividing it into 8. So there's 2, there's divided into 4, there's divided into 8. And if this was 100 centimetres long, each of these sections here would be 12.5 centimetres, because 8 lots of 12.5 equals 100. So I can say here, one of those sections, 1/8. Bit naughty now, I'm going to say this is equivalent to 12.5 out of 100. Not a real sort of proper fraction, but it's a useful interim stage, and I can say this is equal to 12.5%, because percent means out of 100. Now I'm going to take this up again. What happens instead of 1/8? What happens if I were to say 5/8? I keep on saying to you out of 100. And I want 5/8 of 100. So what is my mathematical function that I am thinking of when I talk about out of 100? Well, it's clearly multiply. So it's going to be 5/8 times a 100 is my mathematics of the situation. So I can say now, doing some of my fraction multiplication, 5 times 100 is 500 divided by 8. Now we resort to our electronic friend called the calculator, turning him on. 500 divided by 8 equals 62.5. So I can say this is equal to 62.5%, because I've gone 5/8 out of 100, some mathematics in the middle where I've done the multiplication, out of 100, and there's my percentages. Let's look at one other example. 11/40 of 100. I want to turn 11/40 into a percentage. This time, again, doing the mathematics, 11 times 100, 1,100 divided by 40. Again, resorting to our electronic friend, 1100 divided by 40 equals, and here we have this is equal to 27.5, and clearly out of 100, 27.5%.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.